Right now, watching this, trillions of invisible particles are streaming through your body, through the walls around you, through the entire Earth, and you feel absolute nothing. They are neutrinos, the most mysterious messengers. Neutrinos are cosmic ghosts, no charge, no sound, almost no mass. They slip through stars, planets, and people as if nothing exists. Billions pass through you every second, and 1 in a billion might stop to papa. Our sun floods us with them, but the rarest ones carry impossible energy, born in the most violent places in existence. To catch those, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration launched PUEO, Payload for Ultrahigh Energy Observations. Scientists believe these ultra-high energy are forged near supermassive black holes, places where gravity devours even light, or in the cataclysmic collision of neutron stars, where 2 dead suns crash and scream across space-time. The energy is so extreme, the neutrinos fly for billions straight to us. That's their power. Light gets scattered by dust and gas. Neutrinos don't. They travel in perfect, unbroken lines. One hits Earth, it carries a return address from the edge of creation. But catching a ghost isn't easy. So the National Aeronautics and Space Administration went to the coldest place on Earth, Antarctica. There, miles of pristine ice be silent trap. When a neutrino finally hits an atom in the ice, it sparks a fleeting flash of radio and energy, a whisper in the void. To hear it, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration sent PUEO 120,000 into the sky on a colossal scientific balloon. Launch was December 19, 2025. Flight lasted 23 days. Armed with 96 ultra-sensitive antennas, PUEO listened. It scanned millions of square miles, searching for a single ripple from a particle that crossed the universe. It hunted neutrinos. It hunted cosmic rays. It hunted clues to events we can never witness directly. The balloon came down on January 12, 2026. Now, scientists sift through more than 50 terabytes of data, looking for one signal in a storm of noise. Finding it is like finding a single snowflake in a blizzard. If PUEO succeeds, these silent, nearly untouchable particles could unlock the universe's darkest secrets. What happens inside a black hole? Where are the universe's greatest engines? What ancient catastrophes echo through space even now? The answers may be passing through you at this very moment. We just have to learn how to listen.